If you've ever spent hours editing a YouTube short and you're super excited to post it and you go to post it and it only gets one view, one being from your mom, and it flopped. There's a super simple fix that you can use to enhance your views on your YouTube shorts that might be hiding right underneath your nose. No, not that. On average, more than 2,500 videos are uploaded to YouTube every minute, 150,000 videos per hour, and 3.6 million per day. That's a lot of content. YouTube Shorts attracts more than 30 billion daily views, and it's grown ever since it was announced in 2020. It's no surprise that short-form video content has taken the world and social media by storm since 2020. And it's continued to do so, which is why you want to get on short-form video, yet you're not getting any views on your YouTube Shorts. Well, it's quite simple. You don't have high enough retention. All that means you're not getting people to watch the video all the way or enough. That's not the thing that you're missing out on. We'll get to that. In order to get on the Shorts feed and to be able to pop up in front of an audience, and not just an audience, the right audience, you need to be able to hold people's attention for as long as possible. So that begs the question, how do we elicit high enough viewer retention to get people to watch over and over and over again? I mean, that is the key, right? There's something worth talking about that needs to be brought to your attention first. If you take a look at your analytics inside YouTube Studio, pay attention to the average view duration. 100% view duration is no joke. That means someone watched your video fully. However, if you want the chance of going viral, you want an average view duration greater than 100%. How do you get more than 100% average view duration per video? I'm not gonna be a gatekeeper here. You need to make your video so good that people will want to watch over and over and over again. If someone watched your YouTube short once all the way through, that's 100% AVD. If someone watched your video twice, that's 200%, and so on and so on. Even if you know that you need an AVD higher than 100% and you need to keep people's attention, there's still a massive issue that's hiding in plain sight. How the heck do you get people to watch a video over and over again, get their attention in the first place, and get them to stay? Well, I'm glad you asked. You could be like Ryan Trahan and steal a plant from your neighbor to save it from dying. Or you could be like Mr. Beast and send someone to fly to Paris to get you a baguette. Or you could be like Jenny Hoyos, who exploded on YouTube Shorts by trying to make money selling NFTs, turning 1 penny into $1,000 by trading, or teaching you how to get a $3 burrito at Chipotle. Or you can include this one element that will give you an unfair advantage against anyone else: story. The one common theme that turns your video from a flop to a fantastic video is story. When you're telling a story, you're not just telling us how you went into a coffee shop and saw your ex that you didn't want to see. You're telling us how you felt. You're telling us the emotions that you felt. You're telling us the smell that you endured. You're telling us the environment. You're telling us everything that has to do with the story. Story wins over everything. You can have the best idea, an incredible hook or intro to get people interested to watch, but the way you get them to stay is how to tell a story and what feels best for you and right for you. Because that is the one advantage that you can have to be a part of the 30 billion daily views that YouTube Shorts generates. Plato said it best: those who tell stories rule society.